Now let's just go over some few features in the scan menu that you have. You have endoscope. So in endoscope, you can just here I'll click on the area. You can take screenshots of a specific area that you would like. There you go. You can see the file where it's saved. You can click endoscopic, and you'll see multiple images where the scanner has scanned on that set place where you click that. See, moving along. And now I'm going to exit out of here. And let's say you just mistakenly scanned the lower jaw in upper jaw and the upper jaw in the lower jaw. All you have to do is just hit the exchange button, and the upper jaw data and the lower jaw data are going to be swapped. That fixes your issue. You're good to go. And you also have color where you can just grayscale it. And that's about all over here. Now, when you click edit mode, it is going to just render in the model, finish the post-processing, and get your model ready. Now, this is where having a good laptop or computer really counts. Speeds up the process. When you also start scanning as well, if you have a really good graphics processing unit, you'll be able to scan really fast and see rendering real time. Now, in edit mode, if you were to see any green dots or any green areas, that just means the AI wasn't able to fill in those areas. Now you can see with our scan, I see no green areas. That means we're good to go. If you do see those green areas, you can just go ahead and rescan those areas. Now, the cool thing over here is if you hit base on the right hand side, if you have a 3D printer, you can just directly print. It's going to create that base for you, and you're good to go. I'll go over to invert. Now, if you did scan an impression tray, you can just hit invert and it's going to invert. So you'll get the data that you need. And you also have the ability to fill over here, and you can try and get the AI to fill one more time if there's any area not filled. So you can see there's always a little graphic to help you out. Just gonna hit apply. And over here, you can also erase any feature if you took too much. See, I can erase a little bit over here. Not needed, but you can if you want to. Any unnecessary data. And after that, you can just hit a cushion, close, and a cushion. And over here, you'll get the base function one more time again. Now this will just generate the base where you can just directly print. Gonna go exit out of that, and you can click a cushion, and now you can see the bite. Now this is something your patient would like to see. I'm gonna exit out of here. Okay. I'm gonna click analyze. And over here, you can see the distance between the teeth. Just moving along using my mouse. I'm gonna exit. Okay. And now, automatically the software auto aligns the models. You can realign it by yourself as well. And you can grayscale the color again. I'm gonna go to analyze. And over here, you have 3 different functions: measurements. You can create a measurement over here. I'll click mark. You can place 2 dots and you get the distance. You do cross section, surface, bounding, whichever you like. I'm gonna close out of there. I'm gonna click margin line, and I'm gonna click add. I'm gonna require a tooth number. I'm gonna click number 11. Next step. Next step. Oh, over here, you're just gonna draw that surrounding area that you want. Draw it. Next step. There you go. And I'm gonna click manual. Just gonna draw a path around. Boom. There you go. And there you go. There's my manual margin line. And then hit finish. And now I can review it, and you can see how beautiful that looks. Gonna click apply and exit. Now I'm gonna go to undercut, and with a mouse, it's recommended to have a mouse over here. If you use the left hand side, if you use the left mouse, you'll be able to move tooth model left to right, up or down. And if you use the right click button, you'll be able to just move the model left and right or up or down. So I'll just click over here, I'll get it over here. I'll click unlock, and you can see the undercut area. Just hit lock again, and you can just keep moving until where you want it at. Select your area, unlock, and you can see the undercut area. I'm gonna close out of that. And that's pretty much it for the software. When you're coming over to send the information to the lab, just hit send. You're gonna see your order form on the left-hand side. So whatever information that you've selected. So you can see the case information. I didn't put any extra description in the case description. The tooth selected, patient information, dentist information, attachment files, and you can see I can select the lab right here. Click that and send order. And as you see, I can select which format I want to send it as, STL format. And you can see it's just downloading in the background. Then the order is, the file is completed. I'm going to close out of this. You also have the option to not select the lab and just export order. And you can send it to, you can email it to your lab whenever. After you click send order, the case is automatically going to be sent over to the lab if you already have the lab information set up, and you're ready to move on to the next patient.